I got this broken chainsaw. Let's make it into something else. We're gonna find a different electric motor to use. See if we can't adapt it over to this one. We're gonna try to use this casing and housing still, because it's gonna make it easier to remount the bar. So we'll see if we can figure out how to maybe cut this apart, mount it to a new motor. Let's go find a new motor, see what else we can do to put this thing together. Because this is our bad part, this gear is all shot and we can't buy a new one. So
I found this electric motor and a V-drive belt adapter that fit onto the shaft of the motor, and it also allowed me to add the adapter from the actual original chainsaw. I measure and cut down the housing, make sure everything's going to fit on the chainsaw body, not run into the motor. After I got the housing trimmed, I went ahead and trimmed out the hand guard just to give me a little extra protection. I was able to easily cut all these parts using a cutoff wheel on my angle grinder. I drill a hole to relocate the wire grommet from the back of the unit to the side. This allowed me to reuse the original power cord from the chainsaw. Using a new piece of wire, I connect the existing chainsaw switch to the new motor. Now that I have everything wired up and ready to go, I start the reassembly. First put on the back plate, then align the front plate, and then add the screws to put everything back together. Once I get everything reassembled, I add the spring, the plate, and the sprocket that holds the chain. I reinstall the bar and the chain and the hold down assembly, loosely tightening the bolts and then adjusting the tension on the chain. I plug the saw into the power cord and test to make sure everything still works. With this new motor, this saw is too heavy to move around, so I'm going to mount it to a tabletop. So I made one out of an old gate and mounted a motor mount to it by welding the two pieces in place. I bolt the motor down to the mount, then it's ready to go test. This modified chainsaw works great. It's going to allow me to process limbs and logs easily and quickly. This was an easy project, which allowed me to upcycle a chainsaw that was destined for the trash pile. If you like this project, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.